Hi, my name is Agnes Ngatia.
And I am Joshua Samson.
And we are from Ecomali Limited. We are facing a critical challenge, a rapid increase in waste generation in Africa. With Africa's population being the fastest growing than any other continent, we are seeing an increase in urbanization, in consumer habits, and thus an increase in waste generation. Without proper systems and innovations to support this, we risk putting immense pressure on the environment. In sub-Saharan Africa alone, UNEP estimates that 62 million tons of waste are generated annually, and unfortunately, only 70% of this is collected and recycled. At Ecomali, we believe that waste is wealth, and thus our solution, Ecomali.
Imagine a solution that allows you to raise waste collection requests at the comfort of your phone. Imagine a solution that provides you with a marketplace where you can buy and sell different waste recyclable materials. This platform allows you to track the movement of your waste, and in the process, you get to generate different types of reports, whether on waste management or your ESG reporting. This platform also provides you with ERP capabilities where you can be able to manage different branches for your organization, different users for your platform, and other functionalities that helps you to have a better experience. This platform is called Ecomali, which is an integrated waste regeneration ecosystem that leverages on technology to track the movement of waste from the point of production to the point of recycling. So our business model involves a subscription model where different users subscribe to use certain functionalities to the platform, and they get to pay us a monthly subscription fee or a quarterly subscription fee. The other business model includes transaction fees when users transact using our platform at the marketplace by buying and selling their recyclables. We get to charge a transaction fee that then builds up into our revenue model.
Meet the team behind Ecomali, led by our founder, Mary Ngeshu,
our head of product and technology, David Wangaruro, and I'm Joshua Samson, Business Development and Administration.
I am Agnes Ngatia, Business Development and Finance. Join us as we convert waste into new value. Ecomali, waste is all.